Butchie, can you switch on the light, please? Get somebody take the line here.
Yes.
This year you need a new one. Okay. One of my clients said to me in one of the conversations that I had with him, that why you like to charter boats? He said, I'm too famous to go to a resort. They can be pop stars, but they can be political, they can be captains of industry, they can be really all kind of different businesses or political backgrounds. So it is for us not so interesting, and it sounds crazy who you are or what you are, but for us it's interesting how we can make sure that nobody knows who you are on the end of the day. We can carry about 120,000 liters of fuel, and we can carry about 200,000 liters of water, and that's a nice swimming pool full. The normal range will be about 4,000 nautical miles, what we can make with this boat. More than enough to cross the ocean. Some friends of me said to me, okay, you know this old schooling boat? You know this old schooling? Yes. Yeah, I know. Do you want something with that? No, too much work, too much. I don't do that, come on. And finally, of course, you're curious and you think it's interesting. And then, you know, you come on this old ship and then you see, oh yeah, maybe we can do this, maybe we can do that, maybe we can go to Antarctica. And then we start with the whole rebuilding, and first you think, okay, we do a little bit rebuilding, and you think, no, this is also not the right quality, this is not good quality, and finally you said, okay, let's rebuild the whole boat.
To shop and provision for so many people, for so many days, if you do 25 guests, and we have 25 crew, or a little bit less than 50 persons, and then you do 3 meals a day, that's 150 meals a day. So in 10 days you have 1,500 meals.
We're prepared now for one charter, and this afternoon we're going to do some shopping to get most of the stuff in what you can store. The main charter, he decides what we're going to have for dinner, and that's what we're going to make. And I need to fill in as good as possible his wishes. Off we go. That's where we buy our stuff for the charter. All kinds of fish and meat, and let's see what we can get there. First you need to know what's going on, you know, where you can buy it, what kind of quality, and if you wait till the last moment, you're done. Yeah, this is what you need. Lobsters who jump. Make sure that they don't have any foam here, you know, like this. If you get that foam here, they're stressed, and you really taste it. When they're stressed, you taste it. You don't see that often, fresh langoustine. No. You really need to sell them and eat them quickly, because give them 2 days, and they smell like ammonia. But these are fresh. Look at this size, nice. Turbot. You won't see them that big anymore. It's a nice fresh crab. You see, it's still moving. That's how it should be. Yeah, look.
We use my workshop
have a small lathe machine.
The boat is almost ready to go. We are leaving in 12 hours from now, or even less, to Italy. And when we come in Italy, we will do the last part and make the boat really charter ready. That means that... Excuse me for a moment. Alvin Jan.
Are you calling me?
Yeah, that's correct. We have the sewage tank alarm again. And can you explain Vladimir what to do?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.